Hello Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. At kung bago kayo rito, welcome din po kayo. Please subscribe, like, share my videos, and leave me a comment kung nakaresonate kayo. Thank you. So we have guidance. You are not alone. You are guided by masters and teachers of the highest realms. Ayan. So this is a reminder para sa'yo na hindi ka nag-iisa. Okay? You are not alone. You are divinely guided, no, by the highest realms. Yung spirit team ninyo, Gemini, laging nandyan para gabayan ka. Okay? Kaya wag mong isipin na ikay nag-iisa. Wag mong isipin na you are by yourself, no? Kasi nandiyan dyan, no? Nandiyan dyan ang Panginoon, nandiyan dyan ang mga guardian angels mo, spirit guides, to help you, to guide you, to protect you, to guard you. Okay? Kaya wag mong isipin, no, na mag-isa ka sa laban ng buhay. Alright? So, by the way, I would like to say hi muna sa ating beloved channel member na si at Alexander Toralba, 3777. Maraming salamat po for supporting my channel. Thank you for being here and also for always sharing your blessings now with me. Thank you. Your next message is intuition. Trust your intuition. It has been guiding you to the answers that you seek. Ayan, so inaanyayahan kayo rito ng spirit to trust your intuition. Pagtiwalaan ninyo kung ano ang mga mensaheng napipick up ninyo, nare-receive ninyo from your intuition. Because that's divine guidance. That's coming from the divine universe na gabay sa inyo. Kaya wag ninyong pagdudahan. No? Whenever you hear that, listen to it, no? Embrace it, and as much as possible, yun din ang sundin ninyo. Kasi merong guidance na binibigay sa inyong matagal na. Maybe ang guidance na to, nandiyan nakatambay na, no? Pero maaring hindi ninyo napapansin. So, make sure na you listen to it and trust it kasi maaring yan ay importante na sundin ninyo. Alright? So, what else? We have blue star. Follow the light of your inner compass, the blue star. It will lead you to the truth that resides within your soul. Alright? So, yun. Sundin ninyo kung ano yung bulong, ng inyong inner compass. Sundin ninyo kung ano yung bulong ng ng intuition ninyo. Na this is your inner voice, na bumubulong sa'yo kung ano yung gabay, na dapat ninyong malaman sa ngayon. Okay? So, what else? Tingnan natin kung ano pa ang mga mensahe para sa'yo. And by the way, maraming salamat for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe na po kayo. And if you would like to join the membership, just click the join button po sa baba ng video. Okay? Thank you. So, tignan natin kung ano pa yung mga messages ni Gemini. We have the 8 of Pentacles. Ayan. Focus diligently on your craft. Ito yung maaaring focus ninyo sa ngayon, 'di ba? Maaaring minamaster ninyo ang inyong talento, spiritual gifts, skills. Maybe you are doing training workshops, no? Baka kayo yung nag-aaral, nagma-masters, pwedeng ganon, no? Maybe you are also preparing for a new career path. Baka ang iba sa inyo dito nagte-training, nag-workshop, nag-aaral, maybe because you are preparing for a new career path, no? Hinahanda niyo ang sarili ninyo na siguro kapag tapos na yung trainings ninyo, alam nyo na kung natutunan nyo na kung anong dapat ninyong matutunan, then maybe you will change your career. Na magka-career change na kayo. Or po pwede rin naman ang iba sa inyo dito, talagang sadyang gusto nyong ma-master kung anong ginagawa ninyo. 'Di ba? Gusto ninyong, kasi siguro kapag nagtatrabaho kayo, 'di ba? Gusto ninyo yung perfect, no? Maging perfect yung inyong ginagawa, no? So, what else? We have the two of Two of Wands. Ayan. So, the world is your oyster. Tignan mo, hawak na lalaki yung mundo. Tinitignan niya. So, maybe there are opportunities already coming your way or maaaring meron na, no, na dumating ng mga oportunidad sa inyo and maybe tinitignan-tignan nyo na to. Maybe you are already looking at it, diba? Kung ito ay if you are going to take advantage of it or what, no? So, and this is planning stage. No? Habang kayo nagpaplano kung ano yung gagawin ninyo, anong path ang tatahakin ninyo, this is good na meron na kayong support na pinapadala ang universe by sending you opportunities and possibilities. So, malamang yung plano ninyo, yung iniisip ninyo rito is in alignment already, no, with your destiny. Kaya pinapadala agad kayo ng support ng universe through opportunities and possibilities, diba? So, there is also travel na pwedeng gagawin ng iba sa inyo rito, no? Maybe you are going to relocate, maaaring magta-travel kayo for pasyal, or maybe this is related for, siguro expansion, no? So, yun. So, good luck. So, we also have the Lovers. Decision making, ang maaari din na kailangan gawan ninyo. Kaya siguro kayo may mga guidance dito, no? Because you need to make a decision, an important decision, no? At that could be related, no, dito sa mga plano ninyo with the Two of Wands, or pwedeng related ito sa relationships ninyo, no, na decision na ito. So, yun. Maybe this is related to partnerships. Kung single pa kayo, lalo-lalo na, baka kayo ay nag-iisip, no, namimili kasi siguro meron na kayong maliligaw, mga ganon, diba? So, baka nag-iisip kayo, nagpipili kayo kung sino dito yung papapasukin ninyo sa buhay mo, yung ganon. Or pwede rin na pagla-level up ito sa commitment ninyo kung kayo ay nasa relationship na. Baka meron ditong decision, no, if na kailangan mong harapin, if you're going to settle down na ba in marriage or magsasama na kayo or whatsoever, no? But whatever the case may be, ano man ang decision na gagawin ninyo dito, you should be pag-isipan ninyong mabuti ito. Because whatever decision that you're going to make sa ngayon, it's going to have a great impact, no, sa buhay ninyo for the long term. Hindi lang ito pang isang linggo, 2 buwan or whatsoever, no. This is going to be a long term na na epekto sa magiging decision ninyo. Okay? So good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.